Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Squishy Doctor episode, and today in Squishy Doctor, I am going to be fixing up one of the squishies that Lola kind of tore apart. And as you can see, it's missing like chunks, like that tiara is gone. And I'm so excited that the Frozen 2 trailer got released last week that I figured, hey, why not? Let's do a Frozen related squishy makeover. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to even out her dress. Now there are missing pieces, so I'm going to take some of that material and patch it up. With some glue and glow-in-the-dark paint, I'm going to seal all of the spongy areas. And then I'm going to do some major redecorating. I'm not gonna bore you to death today with my talking, so please enjoy this YouTube free, royalty-free, free music, whatever it's called, for the duration of the video. If you guys want to see step by step how I put everything back together, then please go ahead and just stay tuned. And if you want to fast forward to see the big change, then you should probably fast forward to like minute 8. I have been painting over after I smoothed out all of the cutting, and I really did about 3 coats of each color except for black. Black I did 2, and the shirt at first came out a little too turquoisey for me, so I went back and painted it like a lighter blue, which I feel like matches more with Anna's costume or outfit. After that, I'm going to focus on her dress details and, of course, painting her hair. I feel like the last detail that I did was to put on, you know, that like white strand that she has from when her heart got frozen. But pretty much I did not want to change her face, and it stayed pretty similar or pretty much the same. I think the only difference is that I lightened up her cheeks a little bit and I gave her like a little 3D nose with fabric paint. But other than that, it's mainly just the dress and details. I like her face. I feel like she's happy and she's dreamy, and that's pretty much what Anna is. I am very, very happy with the results. I'm like very impressed, and I feel like Olaf is pretty impressed with my progress also. I went ahead and squished it for all of you squishy squishers that are always like, no, squish it, you never squish it. There you go, it's still super slow rising. This was so much fun to make, so thank you guys so much for watching.